Orange malt hazelnut muffin tops are best baked in a shallow 4-inch muffin top pan. This creates a large surface area for a baked sugar crust with just the right amount of fruit-filled, moist, and tender cake inside. Adding an orange brandy drizzle icing makes them extra succulent and intense. To make a small batch of hazelnut milk, soak 70 grams or a half cup of hazelnuts overnight. Then blend the hazelnuts with 375 grams of fresh water and a medjool date. Then strain through a nut milk bag. To make 6 orange malt hazelnut muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour. Then scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry ingredients, rub the oil from the zest of an orange with 60 grams sugar and 25 grams brown sugar between your fingertips until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then mix in 90 grams flour, 2 grams baking powder, a gram of salt, 25 grams malt powder, and 5 grams of cocoa, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then segment an orange and mix 90 grams including their juice with 2 eggs, 50 grams hazelnut milk, 25 grams hazelnut oil, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients using less than 20 strokes. Then portion the batter into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the orange malt hazelnut muffin tops the same day they are baked as is, or with a dusting of vanilla icing sugar and an orange brandy drizzle icing, which is to dissolve 50 grams of vanilla icing sugar with 5 grams of orange brandy and 10 grams of hazelnut milk. Then mix until smooth and spread a generous layer over top.